Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
So today we are celebrating our 12th year of service. My service with her and her service to me. And we are heading to one of the restaurants that we've been curious about years back. So we're heading to Oh Georg's Cafe here in Ayala. We are going to review the food, the ambience, and the hospitality. So see you around. Hello everyone.
Hello.
So we're done eating and it's time for an honest review with the ambience, the food, and the hospitality. So let's start with the ambience.
With the ambience, I'll give it a 4.
Okay. So the ranges will be 5 is the highest, 1 is the lowest. So you give it a 4 because
I'm giving it a 4 because the place is small, so they can only accommodate a few diners. Yes, that's it.
though in each table the social distancing was strictly observed, so that's why it's a 4. The downside is just that the place is too small for
To accommodate,
to accommodate for
a few more diners.
mini diners and guests.
Yeah.
But yeah, overall experience, it's the place is nice. The staff always sanitize the tables and the chairs every time someone else or someone is finished with dining, and then someone else will occupy.
Yep.
Next is the food. 5 being the highest, 1 being the lowest. Let's start with the chicken curry.
Chicken curry, that's my order, so I'm giving it a 4. Actually, it's good. It's really good. Like, I like it, but I'm giving it a 4 because there's something missing. I'm not sure. I just can't tell kung unsa gyud siya particularly, but nice something missing sa iyang taste. Maybe it's too bland for me. So yeah. But overall, it's a good curry. Not
Okay.
too strong.
All right. Being honest. So second is the grilled pork belly. Honest review, I'll give it a 3. 3 because nothing else is new. It's the same taste that we've been experiencing in other restaurants. 3 because naay other portions sa pork belly nga wala luto og tarong, medyo rubbery siya, and then ay part nga gahi. The sauce, sweet sauce, and ang iyahang spicy level is tolerable ra pod. So yeah, that's a 3. Next is ang hummus.
Was 5.
5 also for me. Surprisingly for an appetizer, it's a
It's a big dish.
it's a big dish. Wala naman siya nahurot and then
Yeah.
naman siyang i-take out actually.
Yes. Yeah.
So it's
Yeah, given nga garlic bread na siya hummus, which is not really kanang like appetizer gyud siya, but nabusog me.
it's a Middle Eastern inspired dish. We've been seeing a lot of those YouTube,
Yeah.
so we decided to try.
Yes, inspired by Mark Queens and
Food Ranger.
Food Ranger.
Si Food Ranger did actually.
Ako, Mark Queens ako so I always love to watch their videos. So I've been wanting to try hummus, and when I saw it in their menu, so I grabbed the chance to try it.
Okay, so that's a 5. Next is ang California salad.
5.
A 5 as well. Na-surprise me sa iyahang kuan.
Yeah, it was
Sa iyang features.
it was very refreshing.
Very refreshing. The sweetness of the ripe mango and
The salad dressing
and
the freshness of the cucumber and the mango itself, like fresh kay siya, ikaon mo fresh kayo, and then saltiness from the
crab
crab
stick.
stick
Yeah.
meat. Yep.
Oh,
That's
ang
it.
lettuce, fresh kayo ang lettuce.
Yes. Oh, crunchy.
Crunchy kayo,
Crunchy.
super fresh. So,
That's why
5.
it's a 5.
So I'm coming back for that
Yeah,
for that
definitely.
California salad.
Yes.
Next is kaluwa,
Kalua
chocolate cake.
chocolate mousse,
Chocolate
dark
mousse.
chocolate mousse.
dark chocolate
I'm
mousse.
giving it a 4.
4. Anong 4 man?
4, it's because actually it's good. Chocolate mousse good siya and very soft and creamy, and you can really taste the dark chocolate, but it's just too sweet for me. For a dark chocolate, it's too sweet for me. Dali ra ko maumay. So I'm not really a sweet tooth. So maybe those who are sweet tooth maybe would love it. But
Sweet toother.
but for me, dili man jud kay ko hilig og chocolates. So mao na siya. It's too sweet. That's why it's 4, but it's good.
Okay. So, sa mga food, 5 ka ba?
Yep.
So that's the overall experience of food. Hospitality, give it a 5.
5.
Though I've been hearing bad feedbacks about their customer service, but we've never experienced that during our dine-in experience. So maybe katong mga naka-bad feedback is
Kasi na-timing lang yun siguro, no?
yeah, miscommunication between the customer and the staff itself. But, so far, game naman kayo ang lahat ng staff.
Yeah, and i-accommodate rin sa dining, like the moment we stood in front of the store, like nadyo dining is doon na mo to ask if whether dine-in or take-out, and then gitagaan din ni o queue number na mo kung ikapila mi nga waiting kay nag-waiting man.
Okay, so yeah, naay waiting actually. Not sure if weekdays, basta weekend, nag-wait mi o
And
kada
then,
yun.
yeah, dinner time pa yun.
Dinner time. So, mao to reason nga nung gahuwat mi mga actually third rami sa
Third
rami sa
queue.
queue.
And we waited like 10 minutes.
No, we only stood there for 5 or 6 minutes.
Okay.
Ang pag-serve sa food mo ay 10 minutes.
Okay.
Actually, we waited for 10 minutes. But dali na pod ang 10 minutes actually. Na-serve ta na mag-i-order. Dili siya by batch.
Yeah.
So, unsa pa imong pwede ma-review?
Price. The price, I'm giving it a 5. Reason is reasonable around price for its food, and I really thought nga it's very expensive because every time I go there, I always see like mga class A nga mga tao, like mga rich, yeah, mga maka-afford yun nga tao gyud akong makit-an per me nga mukhaon dito, mga social, mga mestizo. So I was really thinking it's very expensive, but actually it's not. Reasonable ra siya for a restaurant price. So mo range from 190 to 400. Not sure if naabay mga 500 nga quality dish. Wala ko kabantay, but mostly ang among dish is ni-range siya sa 200 to 300 kape. So, the price is fair enough. Worth it.
Yeah, fair enough. So, out of curiosity,
Yeah.
reason nga nangaon mi sa Oh Georg.
Yes, we've been very curious for ilan na ka-years.
10 years, so almost 10 years na.
Yeah, I guess.
We are now 12 years as couple, as boyfriend girlfriend, and siguro 10 years namin na curious every time mag-grocery or nami arion sa Ayala. Curious mi kay humot kayo ilang food.
Yes.
So finally we got the chance to experience and fulfill our curiosity.
Yeah, the reason why it took us like 10 years because then again, we really thought it's very expensive. So right now, we just thought of why not go there anyway. As long as the food is good, then it should be worth it. So yeah, that's it.
Okay. So rated 4.0 sa Zomato website. This is an honest review, not sponsored. So
Yeah.
we once alam mo na experience sa food
Yes.
actually. So this is not sponsored again. What's pa?
Mura maora to.
Though naa sa sulod sa mall, expected ng well-ventilated ang place. Expect na lang po ka na daghang tao nga mag-agi-agi if nakasagawas na table na dine.
Yep. But if you're the type of person nga di ganahan og kasamo, siguro it's not really the place for you kay tungod sa gamay man gud yung space, so yeah, daghan ang mudain, so more wala kay me time. And then some of the diners kina na siya sa gawa sa store, sa restaurant mismo, so if dili na nimo type nga ana nga mga murag ana nga klase sa dining experience, so maybe it's not for you, but kami we don't mind at all. Kaya nga mo jud is as long as it's good food, good ambience and good staff or service, then it's a plus for us.
Okay. So, ako to, among overall experience sa Oh Georg's Cafe, if naamoy place, restaurant, or naamoy gusto ipa-review, just comment down below.
Yes.
Hit share, subscribe, and
Click the like, the notification bell, and also kung nakasuway mo sa Oh Georg and then unsay inyong favorite food, you can just feel free to comment.
napod
So we can try it.
Napod tayo other foods like mga salads, aside from salad, nasa mga pasta, carbonara, tapos tayo mga shakes.
Yes. So that's it.
Okay, so see
See you next.
Yeah, see you in our next content, and then advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Peace.
Peace. Ano ka? Ano ka?
Ano to? Hindi ko kalihok.
Hello.